Croeso I noson agored 6ed Dosbarth, Ysgol Llanfyllin.
Welcome to Ysgol Llanfyllin's sixth form open evening. 2021 is going to be an important and exciting year for you, and we believe that our school is an excellent choice for your post-16 studies. We offer a wealth of opportunities and are well equipped to help you achieve your potential in both academic and vocational courses. So please relax and enjoy this video, which will give you a taste of what you will experience at Ysgol Llanfyllin sixth form. Starting your AS levels is a big step from your current education, and we will do all that we can to ensure that this is a smooth transition. My name is Mrs. Evans, and as your head of sixth form, an important part of my role is to help, support and guide you through the next few years.
Yma, yn Ysgol Llanfyllin, rydyn ni bob amser yn rhoi anghenion unigol y dysgwyr yn gyntaf, ac yn ymfalchio ein bod yn creu amgylchedd cartrefol, croesawus, ar sail gwerthoedd craidd y teulu. Yn y pen draw, ein nod ydy sicrhau ein bod chi'n cyflawni'r canlyniadau gorau posibl yn eich astudiaethau, ac rydyn ni'n sylweddoli mor bwysig ydy hi ein bod ni'n cefnogi chi'n fugeiliol mwyn I chi gyflawni hyn. Byddwn ni'n pennu tiwtor profiadol ar eich cyfer, a fydd yn eich cynorthwyo chi o ddydd I ddydd gydag unrhyw broblemau sy'n codi.
Our sixth form students also value the close working relationships that they foster with their subject teachers. For our returning students, an important advantage of continuing at Ysgol Llanfyllin is that your teachers have already developed an understanding of how you work and how to maximise your potential. For those who are joining us, we pride ourselves on a warm welcome and the speed with which your teachers will get to know you and your individual learning needs.
Fel y mae llawer ohonoch yn gwybod yn barod, mae ein canolfan deulu yn darparu cefnogaeth fugeiliol ychwanegol, sydd yn dal I fod ar gael I chi fel myfyrwyr 6ed Dosbarth. Rhwng popeth, mae gennym ni hanes ag enw da am ddarparu gofal, cefnogaeth ac arweiniad un myfyrwyr 6ed Dosbarth yma yn Ysgol Llanfyllin, fel y nodwyd yn ystod arolygiad diweddaraf Estyn.
In September 2021, your Year 12 studies will take place in our new sixth form site. This will allow us to offer an extensive range of academic and vocational subjects through English and Welsh, emphasising a strong bilingual ethos, whilst also catering for individual needs. This year, we have offered 21 subjects in Year 12 based at Ysgol Llanfyllin, plus an additional 8 courses that can be accessed by our Ysgol partnership with nearby schools. Ysgol is a scheme between us, Llanfair and Welshpool, where students are offered subjects that are not available in their home school. This allows us to offer an even greater breadth of subjects for you to study at sixth form. Even though our students are not currently travelling to our neighbouring schools for their lessons, Ysgol students are successfully accessing these lessons through our blended learning approach and live lessons on Microsoft Teams.
Yn ogystal â Ysgol, mae ein rhaglen arloesol ysgol hefyd yn caniatáu I fyfyrwyr gael mynediad I amrywiaeth o wersi fel y gyfraith a gwleidyddiaeth, trwy gyfrwng gwersi byw ryngweithiol. Rydyn ni'n falch iawn o ysgol, a'r ffordd rydyn ni'n arwain y ffordd yn genedlaethol. Fe wnaeth Kirsty Williams, ein gweinidog addysg, gydnabod ein llwyddiant, oherwydd ein defnydd o ysgol yn ystod ein hymweliad y llynedd. Pan fyddwn yn ail agor ein safle newydd ym mis Medi, fe fyddwn ni'n gallu cynnig mwy o gyrsiau galwedigaethol yn ychwanegol at y pynciau academaidd troddiadol sydd gennym ni ar hyn o bryd. At hynny, ochr yn ochr ar pynciau hyn, rydyn ni falch iawn o'n llwyddiant a bagloriaeth Cymru. Cymhwyster y mae pob disgybl ym mlwyddyn 12 yn ei astudio. Mae hwn yn cael ei gydnabod gan brifysgolion a chyflogwyr fel cymhwyster ardderchog, ac yn wir, mae wedi helpu llawer o'n cynfyfyrwyr I sicrhau ei prifysgol dewis cyntaf.
One question that you probably have is, what are the entry requirements for sixth form? You will need a minimum of 5 A* to C grades or equivalent at GCSE or BTEC, and some subjects have additional requirements which you will be able to find out in the subject information on our website. When collecting your GCSE results in the summer, you will have discussions with staff regarding your results. Based on the conversations you have, you will then confirm which subjects you wish to study at AS level. In order to give everyone the best possible chance of maximising the potential at A-level or BTEC, we advise all students to select 4 subjects to study. You're probably thinking, how do I know if I'm choosing the right subjects? My advice is to choose subjects that you really enjoy or are very interested in. Be careful, however, that you choose the appropriate subject if you have a particular course in mind in the future. For example, if you are aiming to study medicine, you will need to study the sciences.
Mae yna ddiwylliant cryf o lwyddiant yn bodoli yma yn Ysgol Llanfyllin. Roedd ein canlyniadau tygau diweddar yn ardderchog, gyda thros 80% o'n disgyblion yn cyflawni 5 neu fwy gradd a sereni C, gan berfformio'n well na Phywys a Chymru yn y dangosoddion allweddol I gyd. Mae ein canlyniadau lefel A yn parhau'r duedd hon. Fel un o'r adrannau 6ed Dosbarth mwyaf ym Mhywys, mae'r ysgol yn cyflawni canlyniadau gwych yn gyson gyda 100% o'n disgyblion yn cyflawni dangosydd y trothwy lefel 3 allweddol.
Ysgol Llanfyllin students achieve great success in both academic and vocational courses and are accepted onto sought-after apprenticeships. Every year, around 95% of our students who apply to universities are accepted into their first choice university, including many of the Russell Group universities, with the remainder accepted into the insurance choice university. Fundamental to this success is starting the UCAS process early, the hard work of the students, excellent guidance and advice from tutors, staff and outside speakers, and also the support of parents during these important 2 years. Being a sixth form student differs greatly from lower down the school. In sixth form, you will have many privileges which will help and support you as you progress in becoming a resilient and independent learner, an important aspect of university life.
Fel aelod o'r 6ed Dosbarth, fe fyddwch chi'n cael llawer o wersi pan na fyddwch chi'n cael eich dysgu. Yn ystod y gwersi hyn, fe allwch chi ddewis naillai I aros I astudio yn yr ysgol, neu fe allwch chi hyrwyddo allan yn mynd adre I astudio. Os ydywyswch chi aros yn yr ysgol, fe fyddwch chi'n cael mynd i'r ganolfan ddysgu ar y safle newydd. Fe fydd yna ystafell astudio dawel, gyda chyfleusterau TGEch, ystafell astudio y bwriedir hi ar gyfer grwpiau dysgu cydweithredol ac ystafell gyffredin gyda chegin a lle I fyfyrwyr I eistedd a chymdeithasu. Fe fyddwch chi hefyd yn gallu ymlacio a chymdeithasu yn yr ystafell gyffredin a'r gegin yn ystod amser egwyl ac amser cinio. Hefyd, fe fydd gan y safle 6ed Dosbarth newydd gyfres o ystafelloedd e-ysgol o radd flaenaf gyda'r gorau oll o ran technoleg.
Sixth form life provides you with the opportunity to develop important transferable skills such as leadership and organisation. You will be encouraged to take part in fundraising events which are organised by a senior team and prefects. This week our senior team and prefects are organising a Halloween fancy dress day for the whole school with prizes for the best costume in all key stages with the money raised going to cancer research. Other charity events include sporting challenges. For example, a socially distanced spin-a-thon is organised for next term between years 12 and 13. Another highlight of the year is the School Eisteddfod. The sixth form students play a key role in organising and preparing younger pupils for their performances, an experience the students report as being highly rewarding.
O dan amgylchiadau arferol, mae ein myfyrwyr 6ed Dosbarth yn cael llawer o gyfleoedd gwahanol a phrofiadau gwerthfawr. Enghraifft, maen nhw'n gallu defnyddio'r cyfleusterau chwaraeon gan gynnwys y gampfa, y multigym, y cwrt sboncen a'r ardaloedd chwaraeon tu allan. Y llynedd, roedd yna gemau pêl-droed cyfeillgar wythnosol rhwng myfyrwyr yn y 6ed Dosbarth ac roedd yna gyfleoedd I gymryd ran a chynrychioli'r ysgol mewn raglen o gemau yn erbyn ysgolion eraill yng Nghymru. At hynny, mae'n myfyrwyr chwaraeon yn cael eu hannog I hyfforddi fel arweinwyr chwaraeon, lle maen nhw'n chwarae rôl bwysig yn gweithio gyda disgyblion iau yn yr ysgol, yn ogystal ag ysgolion cynradd cyfagos, sy'n ein helpu nhw I ddatblygu hyder a sgiliau mewn disgyblaethau o'i dewis.
Students have also had the opportunity to take part and become involved in other areas such as the school band, productions, DT and art exhibitions. Many of the students over the years have achieved national recognition in these areas. Normally, our students have the chance to be trained to work with younger pupils in a peer supporting role. Here, they're able to help teachers and gain experiences in Key Stage 3 lessons, as well as supporting both literacy and numeracy lessons, which can only strengthen any potential university application.
Rydyn ni'n credu'n gryf mewn darparu cyfleoedd sy'n herio ac yn cyffroi myfyrwyr ac yn rhoi blas o brofiadau na fydden nhw o bosibl yn eu cael tu allan i'r ysgol. Enghraifft, gwobr air dig Caeredin. Mae hwn yn ddewis poblogaidd iawn sy'n cynnwys 5 adran. Gwaith gwirfoddol, sgiliau, gweithgarwch corfforol, gweithgaredd preswyl a'r hirdeithiau. Mae hwn yn ffordd wych i fyfyrwyr ddatblygu llawer o sgiliau pwysig fel datrys problemau, cyfathrebu ac ati.
Finally, our students have a once-in-a-lifetime trip to the west coast of America, which includes visiting San Francisco, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, and a number of national parks, including the Grand Canyon and Yosemite National Parks. Even today, when I bump into students who went on the trip 10 years ago, they still say it was one of the best experiences they've ever had. Obviously, we do not know what the future holds regarding trips and opportunities, but regardless of this, we are still confident that we can meet your individual needs and guide and support you as you develop into confident and resilient young adults. Whether you aspire to be a media technician, hotel manager, a doctor or an actress, our school has a proven track record in helping students like you onto the path to achieving these goals.
Rydyn ni'n wirioneddol edrych ymlaen at eich croesawu chi yn 6ed Dosbarth a mis Medi, lle byddwch chi'n creu atgofion o Ysgol Llanfyllin a fydd yn para am oes ac y byddwch yn ei trysori am byth.